Welcome to Raj Pipe Industries, your trusted steel material dealer. We provide high-quality steel products like pipes, sheets, rods and beams for construction, manufacturing and industrial projects. With years of experience, we ensure reliable, durable materials that meet your project needs. Raj Pipe Industries offers premium roofing sheets for modern construction needs, featuring high-quality materials and durable design. Our roofing sheets provide exceptional protection against the elements, ensuring a safe and secure building envelope. With a focus on strength, durability, and aesthetic appeal, they're ideal for residential, commercial and industrial projects. They offer excellent resistance to corrosion, weathering and damage. Our roofing sheets balance functionality, strength and visual appeal, enhancing building integrity and beauty. They're designed to withstand harsh weather, reducing maintenance costs and ensuring long-lasting performance. Trust Raj Pipe Industries for superior quality and craftsmanship.